But this is your safety lockout switch, and I can still pull the trigger, and the trigger is getting stuck. We can see from here that, of course, the trigger isn't in there right. So that means this is coming apart, and we're going to have a look at that because that's unsafe. So there's another problem. That wasn't mentioned at all in the customer complaint. They just said it had trouble starting, and it started on the first pull. So that could contribute to this if they're trying to start it and the trigger's up, something like that.